Well, first and foremost, I like meeting people, and I'm involved with so many clubs and I know so many people, but I love people.
We have a bingo twice a week, Monday afternoon, Thursday afternoon. I don't run that, but the lady comes to do it and call the numbers. And we have a bingo on a Friday night, which is great, very great. But that's in the evening, 7 till 10. And we all pitch in, we all help each other.
Yeah, the men's shed started over 20 years ago in Australia, and it's spread to Ireland and England and Wales now, and I'm not sure how many sheds there are in Wales, but 20 odd. We started about 2.5 years ago in Colwyn Bay, with help from Cartrefi, I should mention, with the use of the community room. We've got a membership now of approximately 100, although we don't see them all the time, which is perhaps as well, because if we had 100 people turn up, we wouldn't be able to fit them in.
It's called the Parkway Friendly Group, which we do a bingo, we do trips out, different people come from different areas. We've got Colwyn Bay, we've got Llandudno.
We have raffle, cup of tea with cake and bingo, of course.
And of course, well, you come here at 10 o'clock, you leave here for about 11:30, and you get a nice morning, like, you know, and a good natter with people, isn't it, and get to know your neighbours.
It's kept me sane, keeps me away from the missus, and I just really enjoy it.